And then when you take off the band, your hair is looking flat, girl. Girl, they never gonna know how it look. I ain't got no monitor, so I can't look. How it look? Let me know how it look. Oh, they gonna think it's growing from your head. And then you can have it going up like that a little bit, like making like it's come out your scalp. What y'all think? This is the wig. I got it from Amazon. It's 30 inches. It's a 13 by 6 unit. We wearing this today, y'all. This is what the lace, let's take this. Should I take that out? No, I'm gonna leave it like that. This is what the lace is looking like. I think when I get home today, I'll pluck more of it, but this is what it's looking like. I like it. Okay, the sides of it, the other side. The inside is giving like 1, 2, 3 combs. There's some combs in there. I feel like I barely use the combs, but there's some combs in there, and then you can also tighten it at the bottom. You see that? So far I think it's really cute for a Amazon wig. So I'm going to color the lace because a lot of times I forget to do that, and I'll be just throwing a wig on my head and then I'll be mad. So I'm just going to add some concealer to the lace. I think I'm going to just apply this lace bond for now. And then when I get home, I might glue it because the lace bond I think is much quicker to do than the glue. The glue, I feel like that takes a lot of time and strategy because that's going to stay on my head. Once I put the glue on, that's where the wig is staying. If I only got 20 minutes to do that, we do not have time for that. So right now I'm just putting some of my chestnut concealer in here. See how it's turning brown like that, like my skin tone. Put it right here. Tap it on my hands. Put it on my wig. So let's install this for now. I'm gonna put my wig cap on. I am in a rush right now. It is like 7:32. Let's just. This one girl, she always cuts down the middle. I wish I would have at least like glued it down, but I didn't. And then I'm going to use my little cutter here and just go around that because you don't want to get, hopefully you guys can see, but I usually like sometimes when I put a wig on in the morning before work and it's brand new, I kind of just think I'm going to have to cut more leaves, but I'll figure that out later. Yo, this is annoying. Got about 15 minutes to get the hell up out of here. And I feel like I am going to end up cutting the ear part. Wish I could show y'all. I think I should cut. I mean, I need this. Hold up. I'm just going to melt my hair into this. I'm just going to cut this. I feel like this wig looks really good for a Amazon wig. I think I paid $100 for it. think I'm just going to glue this on for now. Like, I think I'm just going to lay it down and melt it. I think it's not too bad. Let's keep going. I don't even know how to take this part off. I'm just going to use scissors because what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Hurry up. I gotta go. I want to just start getting dressed by 7:40. Come on, I gotta get out of here. And then also, why does it feel so? Hold on. There we go. I just brought it down a little bit on that side. There we go. We can do it like that. Now let's just take this side off. It's on like that. I think it's gonna be good. I like it. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Y'all, this is the first time I'm really doing a good video because of the background. It's making me look really nice. You see how that just messes with rough up those edges? It makes everything look so, I guess, I'm not going to put too much there because I have to cover that. Oh my God, hurry up, Nia. You're having fun. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I got more to say because like everybody's saying that the beauty industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Billions? Come on. There's enough money for all of us. That's how I feel, at least. Despite everything that's going on, that's how I feel. What y'all think about that? Look how beautiful this wig is, y'all. Who am I? Beyonce? Just why nobody like me now? Because I think I'm cute. I know I am. Period. Let me stop. I don't even use that word, period. They're gonna be like, where you going? I got a date after this. Hold on. This got to be cut. My ear hurt. Something over here hurt. Let me see if I could. They both got to be cut. Like, what is going on back here? Something back here is bothering me. I can't have my ear up covered up like that. Uh-oh, God, we gotta go. Guys, we got to go. I just had to cut that off because that was hurting. All right, now we're gonna glue on the we're gonna try to melt it. I don't know how much we can, but I'm gonna try my best, okay? And we're gonna use this right here. And I like to put it on like on here, this raggedy little thing. I just be pouring it on here. Because when I spray, I find that it's not good. But oh shoot, first I'm going to get my alcohol and spray the pad because I just did my makeup. You want the edge of your head to be really, really clean where your lace is at so that it can stick properly. So I'm just gonna take that makeup off that I applied because those oils is definitely going to just lift up that lace. Let me hurry up. All those oils there is definitely going to lift up that lace throughout the day. You don't want that. Now I'm going to get into this and I like to put it here because once with this product though, the tip gets like sticky, and once it gets all sticky like that, I like to put my finger in it after I pour a little bit there and just apply it to my head with my finger. This is the first time I'm doing it, so I hope this wig lasts long. I heard that there was a lot of good reviews on it. I will link it at the bottom. Yo, my forehead do not play, okay? Actually, I like to put it here first, and then I like to just lay this on it to really... Ooh, that's too low. I'm going to try to melt it. I don't think it's going to melt. I'm trying, y'all. This is an Amazon lace wig. Let's see what happens. If it don't melt all the way, I'm just going to leave a headband on. I don't care. Hoping for it to melt, though. I mean, you could kind of see my lace. I ain't going to lie. I didn't put a lot of the product there, but got to start back here a little bit. It's a little bit too high, I feel like. The wig is a little bit too high. All right, so I'm going to start sticking it down. Girl, hurry up. And you see how when you take those oils off your head, girl, it's going to stick. Like, you see how it's sticking? It ain't moving, y'all. It ain't moving, okay? It is going to stick on your forehead because the way you took those oils off, it's going to stick. And then I got the fan running, so it's like a free stick session. This is real sticky right now. I'm just going to put a dot more. Damn, that was a lot. I'm about to pour it right back into the bottle too because that was a lot. My friend told me about this. I did not know about this. That's why her lace used to always look nice. And I used to just be looking. All right. What time is it? Okay, I gotta go. Guys, we gotta get dressed in 10 minutes. And get the hell up out of here. Guys, what y'all think about this? Now, I think I'm gonna put some makeup on top because it does look a little bit, clear or whatever. So I'm gonna add some makeup. I think if I add that makeup, it'll look a little bit better. But then you can also cut it. We'll be back. I'll be back. I gotta run to work, so this is another reason why I'm just putting it on. I think I would have glued it down, but I still have the opportunity to. Just not right now because we gotta go. Just see if it just, oops. Let's put this down. See, it really melts when you, see that? It's just that the edges don't have any product on it, so it's not melting right. But it's okay because it looks like I can just add that color that I just had. And I think I'm just gonna tap that dark shade. You see how light that is? Just gonna tap it there so it's not as visible. That really blends in the lace more. At least for this wig, it does. I like it. Okay, let's get out of here, y'all. You see? It's changing the color. I mean, you can still see the lace, but it ain't that bad. Shoot, compared to other people's. That looks really good, I think. And then it's also like a contour around the forehead. And that's how it's going to be for now, y'all. I mean, we only got 10 more minutes till we got to be at work. What we going to do? Just add this to the lace real quick. Cut off some of it that's sticking out. I do see how this is sticking out here, but I was rushing, so it is what it is. It'll be better next time. But to put on this Amazon wig, it was real easy. I think this wig cost me $90, $80 or $100. No more than $100. Because I ain't paying no more than $100 for an Amazon wig. It's just looking really cute. I was like, I gotta get that. So let's just try to put this hot comb through here. Just to flatten this out a little bit. And then let's just get dressed. Now, I heard that this hair activates very well with water. So I might add some of that too. See how I'm trying to flatten that through? Can y'all see me? All right, I gotta go. Y'all, I'm really getting better at these wigs. But let me put the lace on. I think if I put the lace on, it'll really melt it. Let's put the lace on, y'all. I think I'm getting so much better at these wigs. They're becoming so easy to install for me. Should I have done cosmetology school? Because I know what I'm doing. Every time. Guys, ooh, why is it blurry? I'm actually in the mood to make a part because I realized I didn't make one. And I'm just going to start right here down the middle. I think this hair will look really cute with a middle part. Trying to go with the part that's already there. And we're just going to flatten that out like that. And then move that down. A lot of times I don't give myself parts and I don't know why. I have a lot of pictures of me and my wig blindness. Like, oh my God, my wig was looking so bad. And I know y'all was talking about me, but I don't care. It is what it is. That's how we live and we learn. Now I'm thinking about adding some concealer to my back of my hand, even though I just cleaned the back of my hand. And then I'm just going to take my brush and just tap it in there and then just like kind of line it. I mean, I guess this is what they used to do. I don't know how that's going to look though. Let's just check and see. Okay. Thank you. It gives me a part. I could tell you that. It just feels like, all right, that looks so much better. What do you guys think? It just, I didn't put it on the outside, just the inside right there like that. Because I need a part. I just be wearing my wigs with no part. My friend be like, girl, where's your part? I'm like, I don't know, sis. So let's just at least put it in a part. I didn't plug it or anything, but I tried to put it in a part. So when I go back to work on Wednesday, I'll have my hair together, like, you know. I love the highlights. Like, I love these two highlights right there like that. It's really pretty. All right, guys. I think that is it. If you get this hair, let me know. I got it from Amazon, and I'm about to show you the video.